Hey guys, how's it going? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur. So, a lot of you guys have been asking about Jungle Scouting. Do I need Jungle Scout? I want to explain to you whether you need it, whether you don't need it, what I'm currently doing, why I'm doing it, and how you can pretty much do the exact same thing, okay? So, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing you need to understand, Jungle Scout has a bunch of different things going for it, okay? So, if you click on products up here, has the web app, it has the Chrome extension, okay, and it also has a sales estimator, okay. These are the three things we're going to talk about today. So, do you need any of these things? Well, you can see right up here on this computer, I have Jungle Scout. This is the Chrome extension, okay. So let's first talk about Jungle Scout and using the web app, okay. So right here, this is the web app. If you don't know kind of what it would look like, this is kind of what it looks like. Okay, or pretty much what it looks like. So do I use the web app? Honestly, I do not use the web app at this current moment. Okay, so this is a tool that is, I think it's like, the cheapest one is like $40 a month. The most expensive, I think, is like $100 a month or $90. So do I use this? I did in the very beginning, and it worked out great. Because it would give me different product ideas, and I could go and track to see, how much they're selling and how much competition there are and all this stuff, okay? And it worked out great when I first got started. But is it something that I would suggest that you have? Not necessarily, because most people that I've talked to recently, Greg Mercer and the Jungle Scout team, they have a bunch of videos on how to use this. But the problem is, you can watch a million videos on how to use the software, but if you never understand how to use its full potential, then what's the point? Okay? And so I actually did a video, right here. So this is one, how to private label on Amazon FBA. It's kind of a step-by-step video. That's one, I'll link to that. That'll be the first link in the description box below. You can go check that out. But I'm showing you how to come up with different private label product ideas without spending the money on this Jungle Scout web app. Okay, so do you need Jungle Scout? From my experience, yes, you need Jungle Scout, but do you need this web app right here? No, you do not need this. Okay, would it make things easier for you? Maybe, but again, like I said, if you don't know how to use the software to its greatest capacity, then really, what is the point? Okay, if it's running at 10% of you using 10% of its use, then really, you're not really using the full benefit of it. So there's no point to have it. Okay, so that is, and let me show you the prices down here at the bottom. So this is billed monthly. So startup, you're looking at $39, $69, and $100. Okay, and so you can track 40 products, 80, 150. If you're just getting started, you don't need this one unless you have a bunch of users. This one, again, if you're just getting started, it's a great one. It's a great starter one. But again, if this is your first time getting a private label product, you've never used Jungle Scout, probably start here. Okay, so that's that one. Let's go to the Chrome extension. Like I said, I have it up here. This is something you buy one time. This one right here, the web app, you pay monthly. The Chrome extension, let me go all the way to the bottom. This is a one-time fee, okay? So you can either pay the one-time fee for the light version at $97, or you can get the pro version at $197. Does this have more benefits to it? Yes, it does. The main thing is this opportunity score right here. That's the big one. The FBA fee estimator is great, but do you need it? No, because you can get the cost somewhere else. Sales item profit calculator. It's a good thing to have, but again, so I have this one on one of my computers, and I have this one on one of my older computers, and honestly, the difference between them, it's not like it's a big deal. The biggest thing is this opportunity score, and I'll show you what that is in just a second. So we can go right here. This is what it looks like. So you go over to Amazon.com. You've probably seen how it works, but let me just explain in case you haven't. You go over to Amazon.com. Let's say you type in marshmallow sticks, okay, or bamboo sticks. Okay, that's what these are. And so you go type in, they're the jungle sticks, whatever. And so you go type that in, and then you click on this Jungle Scout extension. it will go and pop up a little window like this. Pops it up over here on the top right hand side. It'll pop it up, and like I said, the opportunity score, that's really the only thing that's different, or the main difference in my opinion, from my experience, that this is the most important thing out of all the additional features. But you really don't need the pro version. I use the light version more oftentimes than not. But it gives you everything. Gives you the price, gives you the rank, gives you the sales, the estimated sales, estimated revenue, the amount of reviews, its current rating, and who's the seller. Is it FBA or is it a merchant fulfilled? Okay. So the reason why I say that you do not need the web app, but I recommend this one, okay, the Chrome extension, is simply because with the click of a button, you click this button right up here one time and it brings you up all this information. If you didn't have this, the next thing you could do for free, you can go look on item number 1, item number 2, item number 3, item number 4. You can write down all their prices, their rankings. You can go look at based on the rankings, you can tell if you went to Jungle Scout's Estimator. It's a free tool right here. And so you'd go to, okay, it's 32,000 sports and outdoors. So you'd go and find sports and outdoors right here. You'd click on it and you'd put in 32,000. Find out how many estimated sales it gets. It gets about 97. So then you come back and put 97. Okay. And then you can write down how many reviews, what their ranking is. You can do all that by yourself. You do not need this tool. But this tool costs $97 and it's a one-time fee. How much would it, or how long would it take you to go and put in all that information, go figure it out, go do the research, and then put it in an Excel spreadsheet? Do that with 14 items or 20 items. Let's say you do that with all of them and then you decide that's not a good product for you. This is why I believe this tool is worth it. The Jungle Scout Chrome extension is well worth it. Okay, if you want to get this, I'd highly recommend it. I think there's a link in the description box below if you want to go check it out. Yes, it's an affiliate link. No, it doesn't cost you anything extra. But like I said, this is the free tool. This is the Jungle Scout Estimator right here. Get out of that. So all you have to do, let's say you're looking at a product or something, and it says the average, like the average sales rank is 42,000. So you can come in and type it in 42,000. Okay, find it out. How many estimated sales there are per month. So this is Jungle Scout. Okay, Jungle Scout's not a complicated tool. It's a great tool. I'd highly recommend it to anybody that wants to get into selling private label products on Amazon. Let's see. Again, I'm gonna tell you again. I'm just telling you the truth. I do not use this currently. I currently do not use Jungle Scout's web app. It does work and it is a great tool, but I didn't find it necessary for me to keep paying for this. After I started building my business, after I started getting more and more private label products, what I noticed is a lot of these products, let me go up to the top again. What I noticed is when you go and let's say you select, the United States as your marketplace. You also select, let's say, sports and outdoors, and you put in all your filters. What I've noticed is that a lot of people put in the exact same stuff and they get the same ideas. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing that you get the same ideas as some other people. But the problem is if everybody gets the exact same information and they take that information pretty much literal, what's going to happen is all these people are going to come out with the exact same product or a very similar variation of it, and you're going to have a lot more competition. So what I found is you don't need the web app. Get the Chrome extension and then come over here and you can see I'm over here searching on wish.com, but I'm showing you kind of step by step. I'm using two different sites here. So again, first link in the description box below will be to this video. Go watch it and you're going to see why I don't need the Jungle Scout web app. But again, hopefully this video helped you out. Hit that thumbs up button if it did. If you want more videos on Jungle Scout, how to use it, just different stuff like that, I'll be more than happy to create those videos for you guys. Just comment down below what it is that you want to see. So that's really it. Jungle Scout is a great tool, but is the whole thing in general, Do you need it? No, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, I believe this is a necessary tool. And no, you don't need the Pro version. The Lite version will do just fine. It's $97 one-time fee, and it works just it's perfect. Okay, honestly, it's a perfect tool. And then right here, this is the Jungle Scout Estimator, and you can use this, for a lot of different reasons. I come on to it every once in a while, just to check the numbers, just to check to see, how much competition there really is inside the different categories, all this stuff. But anyway, that is what it is. So again, if you guys have questions on Jungle Scout, how to use it, the benefits of it, why I believe private label is a great option for anybody out there, you can always comment below and I'll help you out any way that I can. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click that button, subscribe today. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video.